Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Shopify email, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Shopify email, begin by navigating to the Shopify website. Log into your Shopify account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, select the Start Free Trial option to create one. Once you are logged in, go to the Apps section in the left-hand sidebar. In the Apps section, click on Visit the Shopify App Store. Use the search bar to look for Shopify email. Click on Shopify email from the search results. On the Shopify email page, select the Add App button. After the app is added, you will be redirected back to your Shopify admin. Now, click on Marketing located in the left sidebar. Select Campaigns to start creating your email campaign. In the Campaigns section, click on Create Campaign. Choose Shopify email from the options provided. Next, begin designing your email by selecting a template that suits your needs. You can customize the template by adding images, text, and branding elements. Once you are satisfied with your design, click on the Review button to check your email. In the review step, ensure that all content is accurate and polished. After reviewing, click on the Send button to launch your email. If you wish to schedule the email for a later time, select Schedule instead. To manage your email lists, return to the Marketing section and select Email Lists. Here, you can create new lists or manage Explore the Analytics options to track performance metrics for your campaigns. With this guide, you are now ready to effectively register and utilize Shopify email for your marketing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.